Want to move your Tracfone number to a new phone and keep your number and balance? Transferring or porting your number moves it from one carrier to another, Tracfone in this case. First, make sure your new phone is unlocked and compatible with Tracfone, which primarily uses Verizon and AT&T networks. Use Tracfone's compatibility tool on their website to check. You'll need your Tracfone account details, the IMEI of your new phone, and your old SIM card info. You can start the process by calling Tracfone support at 1-800-867-7183 using the Tracfone app or visiting a store. Be aware that a porting fee of $9.99 usually applies. eSIMs are the latest in tech and will get your number moved quickly and without issues. If available, it is recommended to use this transfer method. Keeping your balance when transferring isn't always guaranteed, but it can be done. To keep your balance, activate the new phone on the same Tracfone account as your old phone. Balances are tied to the SIM card, so transferring to a new account will likely cause you to lose it. There is a fee for $9.99, but it varies depending on the circumstances. Using an eSIM to transfer has a higher chance of retaining the balance than using traditional SIM swaps. The rise of eSIMs has simplified this process. Tracfone's app and website now handle most transfer requests, reducing wait times. Also, be aware that service stops if your balance runs out, so transfer with time to spare. Always double-check with Tracfone's support or FAQs for the latest policies and promotions to avoid any surprises.